Space. Abhishek is standing by with some insights on the valuations of two stocks, Cholamandalam and Bajaj Finance. Abhishek, tell us how the valuation is shaping up for both these two names.
Well, under the valuations of Cholamandalam and Bajaj Finance have seen a convergence. So Bajaj Finance for the longest time was believed to be the most expensive NBFC in India with respect to price to book value. That spot has been taken by Cholamandalam. So in the current calendar year, Cholamandalam's stock movement with respect to the price has been that it's moved up by 10%, while on the other hand, Bajaj Finance stock price has actually declined by 8%. Hence, if you take a look based on Citi's estimate of book value for both these companies based on FY25 book value, now Cholamandalam trades at 4.8 times, while Bajaj Finance on the other hand trades at 4.5 times 1 year forward price to book value. Based on Citi's estimates, the return ratios of Cholamandalam is expected to improve in FY25, while that of Bajaj Finance is expected to decline in FY25 versus FY24. So Citi estimates ROA, that is return on asset, of Cholamandalam to be at 2.7% in FY25 versus 2.5% in FY24. Citi estimates ROA, that is return on asset, of Bajaj Finance to decline to 4.1% in FY25 when compared to 4.5% in FY24. Now again, Citi estimates ROE, that is return on equity, of Cholamandalam to be at 22% in FY25 versus 21% that it was there in FY24. So again, Citi estimates ROE, that is return on equity, of Bajaj Finance to be at 20% in FY25 when compared to 23% that it was in FY24. So it's important to note that return ratios of a lender do weigh on the valuations of that lender as well. AUM growth as per Citi's estimate is largely expected to be strong both for Cholamandalam as well as Bajaj Finance in FY25. So on a YOY basis, Chola's AUM growth as per Citi is estimated to grow at 29.65% YOY, while that of Bajaj Finance is expected to grow at close to 27.5% in FY25. Operationally, Citi estimates better performance coming in from Chola when you compare to that of Bajaj Finance. So Citi estimates operating profit growth for Cholamandalam to be at 40% YOY in FY25. This compares to 26.5% that they have estimated for Bajaj Finance. Again, Citi estimates provisions to rise by nearly 46% for Cholamandalam in FY25, and that compares to 58.1% that they have estimated with respect to provision rising for Bajaj Finance in FY25. Citi estimates PAT growth to be at about 37.7% in FY25 for Cholamandalam on a YOY basis, while that for Bajaj Finance they estimate a PAT growth of 18.8% in FY25 YOY, that is year on year. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Abhishek. Thanks very much for that comprehensive analysis. Thanks. So that's the difference between the two NBFCs. But let's move on then